Hello everybody, I'm making some good old Bulgar porridge with coconut milk. So I start with 5 cups of water to 1 cup of bulgur. Also I put a little more than quarter teaspoon of salt in that. I'm now washing the bulgur, which most people don't do, it's not a must. Throw off that water. And now I'm going to get them in the pot. I tell you, it's going to taste nice. Alright, so here I get the bulgur in. Yeah, my little girl there making her ginger tea, you know, and the other one making Milo tea. But
normally I should add cinnamon stick at this pint or cinnamon leaf. I don't have
the
those.
bulgur is for me and
cinnamon powder later then.
Oh, my girl making herself a cup of Milo.
Okay, I think that's enough.
I help you stir the condensed milk.
I'm pretty sure there's not enough.
That's not enough. The Milo too dark. Get some more.
Alright. More condensed milk. Get in. Yeah. This condensed milk.
Try it if you're making it too sweet now, you know.
Okay, let me see.
Alright, so I'm actually making my bulgur porridge. I have a piece of pork tying out. Sorry if you've seen it in the video. Not intentional. That is going to be to make my jerk pork. That's for another video. But anyway, right now, I'm finishing up my bulgur. If you notice, it cooked for an hour and it becomes thick and all the water almost dried out. But I'm adding a cup of coconut milk. Alright. It's going to cook for another 20 minutes so that the coconut milk can cook. Okay. And I'm going to add cinnamon, vanilla, half teaspoon of cinnamon in, and a tablespoon of vanilla. Then I'm going to just stir this. Now you can allow this to cook down until it becomes as thick as you want it. Or you can go ahead and add some flour or some cornstarch, mix that in a little bit of water and add to it. But I think this is pretty thick, so I'm not going to add any of those to it. I'm allowing it to thicken itself up. And I'm going to sweeten it with condensed milk. Yeah, the cinnamon smells so good in that. The vanilla coming through. I'm so used to my granny putting cinnamon leaf in the porridge. But I don't have any cinnamon leaves, so you know what leaves I have in my house? Bay leaves, and I washed two and I'm putting them right in there. The bay leaf does not add flavor, but I tell you, bay leaf have so many purposes. It's so good for us. Oh my God, I will have to name out some of what bay leaves are good for. It can be added to anything that you are cooking. It doesn't change the flavor, it doesn't add any flavor, but it's just good. So now, I just remember that even though I only have like 5 to 10 more minutes with this porridge, but I had the bay leaves. They will cook in that time. And actually we're not eating the leaves. Just gonna take them out. Instead of adding so much cornstarch and flour and getting so much starch in our porridge, sometimes we can allow the porridge to cook itself down to a good thickness. Oatmeal thickens itself, even cornmeal can thicken itself. Bulgur does the same thing. You know what? I'm sweetening this right in the pot and then it will share right into for me and my Aussie. Yeah, man. So weird. Weird. I like my porridge. I like the bread back with me finish. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. Stay safe out there in this pandemic. Do the best you can.
Enjoy.